What you doing now?
Priming the joints. You can put the primer on several sections at once because it's not as time sensitive as the glue. Once you put the glue on, you have a very short period of time to work it before it sets up.
And you're going to do that on all the connections?
Prime and glue all of the connections so that they stay together. Just priming all of these for this section at once. Then I'll go back one by one and do the glue on each junction. The purple primer just cleans all of the surface of the pipe and the connectors so that the glue has a good surface to adhere to, and actually the glue dissolves the plastic on each side. So when you glue these sections together, you have to push them in because they will try and force their way apart. It's not hard to do, it just takes a couple of times and you can see how it all works out.
Okay, so we're finishing the last corner with the glue. And then we'll start putting on the fencing to keep the rabbits in. And after that, we'll build the lid. What size wire is this fence?
This is 2 by 4 inch welded wire, galvanized welded wire.
That we're zip tying together. This will be the bottom. Sometimes I don't know what we do if we didn't have zip ties. Eventually we'll get wire and wire this together. But I want to put rabbit, what is this, rabbit wire?
I think they call it
Cage wire?
package for the other ones over here.
Zip tying the bottom of the cage to the sides. That's interesting. There's no. Can I do zip ties, please? The size we made will take 2 rolls of what's this called, Steve?
Cage wire.
Cage wire. It's 15 feet. Rolls 15, 2 by 15. How do you say that? 2 feet tall, or 2 feet wide by 15 feet long. Trying to keep the bunnies in so they don't dig out. We've already made one for the girls. And this one will be for the boys. The reason we chose to go with PVC pipe, there were actually 3 reasons. 1, it's lighter weight. 2, it's waterproof. And 3, hopefully they won't chew on it as fast as they would with wood. Okay, so when we're finished with the bottom, we'll flip this over, we'll secure the top, and then we'll show you how we're building the lid. See you in a few.
Okay, now we're gluing up the top for the rabbit hutch, for the rabbit tractor. Just take elbows and pipes and make the lid. It's a lot simpler than the base. You just need 4 elbows, 6 31.5-inch pieces, and 6 49.5-inch pieces, and a plus sign, a couple, and 4 T's. So as we go along, we'll glue this up, show you how we're doing it. The first corner, hold it until it sets up. Second corner, second pipe in the first corner, and there we go. Go down to the other end of this, prime it, put on a T, and keep on doing it.
So you're gluing the lid together, the top,
Yep,
the roof?
gluing the lid. Started the first corner, put on the first T for the side, and we'll be going along. We'll do the other end of this, do half the plus. Again, just prime the priming the pipe, the primer on the pipe, on the T. Glue. And put it together. Try and make sure that the pieces all line up going the same direction. I've already primed this part, so I just have to prime the pipe. Hit it with some glue. This is where the plus sign goes in the middle, where it's going to have the intersection on the 4 sides to support the middle of the roof. a name for this. I just call it a plus sign because that's what it is, and I don't have to remember fancy names. Oops, pardon the pipe. You do need to hold this in because as it heats and dissolves, the glue will try and push the joint apart. So you have to push it in and hold it for 15-20 seconds until it sets up. Once it sets up, it should be good. I need a long pipe.
Did you already do the inside of that too?
Yeah, I primed all 4 parts of the T and the plus while I was at it. Because as long as you're doing it within a fairly close period of time, the primer isn't that time sensitive. Whereas the glue, when you put the glue on, you better be ready right now to do it. So you put this end in, flip it around and do the other end in just a second.
Watch the cans.
And that
Is a quarter.
is 1/4 of the roof. Lather, rinse, and repeat 3 more times and we're done. Okay, so we got the roof pieces done. Now we're going to cut the welded wire for the roof. Lay it out and just snip off the excess. We'll roll out another section and overlap it again. Then attach the wire to the roof. Put a tarp over the top, and we're done.
Okay, so, what wire is this on top of here?
2" by 4" welded wire. I think it's 14 gauge wire.
And we have it on the top and the bottom, overlapping in the middle. And then we're going to just place a tarp okay, and we'll zip tie the tarp down. This will give them a bit of shelter from the rain. This is the finished product with the lid and the tarp on it to keep the rain off of them. We took a couple of small, what are these things called?
Storage totes.
Storage totes. Cut out holes, put straw in them so that they have some place to get into. We have waterers up The next thing we do is go ahead and put the rabbits in here. Oh, and we're going to secure it with a bungee. To help keep predators out. And there are our rabbit tractors. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.